Information about the expo and also some great resources such as their Business Climate Change Toolkit can be found on their website. Rafiq, thanks for joining us. Support Ontario Youth rolled into E.L. Crossley Secondary School this week with their Tools of the Trades workshop, linking young apprenticeship hopefuls with local businesses. The Source paid a visit.
They're doing 3 different things. In the morning or the afternoon, we split them into 2 groups. They're doing hands-on tools work, and today we're doing electrical, so they're learning how to do electrical work with tools. They're doing employability skills, so they're learning how to do resumes, how to do interviews, and how to relate to people other than texting on their phone. And then at lunchtime, they're going to have an opportunity to network with people in the trades, employers and journey people to find out what it's actually like to work in the trades and how to get into it.
These kids are also leaving with some tools that are related to the electrical trade.
We've equipped each attendee with a starter kit. So the apprentice starter kit, we partnered with Ideal Industries, so wire strippers, screwdrivers, a tool pouch, to be able to actually get them started on their journey into the electrical trade.
At each location across the province, Support Ontario Youth connects with local tradespeople working in one of the 5 in-demand trades they focus on for that day's boot camp. They network with students, and some, such as Josh Wells, work side by side with them as instructors.
It's nice. You see the different groups of kids, you know, a lot of them are engaging, you know, and you can tell which ones really want to work and get their hands on the tools. Like they're all happy when they open up the boxes. It's like Christmas for them. And then when they actually start doing the projects and stuff and ask questions, you know, when kids start asking you questions back that you didn't ask them first, then you can tell that you're hitting home somewhere.
It's about giving them opportunities, correct?
Yes. Just you know, testing it to see if this is what could possibly interest them to further them down the road. You know, there's a bunch of trades that we do, so it's just finding one that interests them and letting them go free.
You're a relatively new teacher, having experience in the electrical field. Did you have an opportunity like this when you were younger?
I never had the opportunity to do anything like this when I was in high school or even after high school. So for them to get that step ahead and be that much closer to finding employability skills and employers, they're way ahead of the game than I ever was.
You've had a chance to observe the morning so far. What do you feel are some of the strong points of this program?
The strong points is that they are putting together what the trades is really about. So they're putting up together the hands-on skills, and now they're going to put together the employability skills, the interpersonal skills that they do need on the job site still.
Maddie, why did you sign up for today's program?
I signed up for today's program because I want to be an electrician. I've always been a very hands-on person. I've never really loved any classes that aren't hands-on. I've always taken auto, electricity, wood shop, all those, and they're my favorite. And then I was deciding which would be best for me, and I've taken electricity since grade 9, so this is my 4th year, and I love it. And I find that I'm pretty good at it. I don't know, I'm just really interested in it.
You've been given this $250 minimum value tool belt. That's a pretty cool thing.
Yeah, and I'm definitely going to use it a lot. So I don't really have any of my own tools. I always just use what's around, but having my own first set of tools is pretty cool. And it's pretty nice to have it from here.
You're here in Fawn Hill today, but you're doing dozens of these for the next few months all across the province?
Yeah, we're running anywhere from 8 to 12 a month across all different areas of Ontario.
What has the response been like? People have to pre-register for this. Are you having any problems trying to fill up these limited number of slots?
Oh, no, we have waiting lists in most cases. The high school ones are a little easier because it's the teachers that are helping select the candidates through our recruitment process. When we do the adult events, we usually end up with a waiting list, and we're targeting to have 30 per event.
The Tools in the Trades Boot Camp will be back in Niagara in February. They'll be working with students from the Niagara Catholic Board. For information on those boot camps and other programs, visit supportontarioyouth.ca.